Hey guys, welcome back to 3 Plant-Based Kids. I'm Eden and today I'm going to be showing you how I make these high protein energy bars. Let me show you how.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Plant-Based Kids!
These are the ingredients I'm going to be using for the high protein energy bars.
This is what the consistency is supposed to look like.
This is a no-cook bar, so we're going to put it in the freezer to chill. And there you go, high protein energy bar. Perfect for school lunches or after school snack. I personally like them as an energizing breakfast snack. So delicious. Give this recipe a try and tell us what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on 3 Plant-Based Kids.